So you purchase your LipSense, you have your lip color on, it stays on almost the whole day, but now how do you remove it? Hi, my name is Sandra and I love empowering busy mompreneurs to look and feel their best, mainly providing with helpful makeup tips and also some business tips. And today I'm going to show you how to get rid of your LipSense without having to rub your lips too much or trying different things. So if you actually went onto Google and just search how to remove LipSense, you will find some crazy answers. But the easy answer and the right way to remove it is just by using the Oops Remover. It is formulated especially to remove LipSense. So this is the best way to actually remove your lip color. So what you need to do is just add a layer to your lips. Then you will let it sit for at least 1 minute. I would say go for 2 minutes if you can. Usually what I do is I put on the Oops Remover and then get changed, put on my pajamas. Whatever it is, it usually takes at least 2 minutes. So after the 2 minutes, it will really be easy to remove the color. So before I show you how to do it, there are 3 reasons why you should use the Oops and not try to find anything different. 1, it was formulated especially for removing the lip color. So it will remove it without having to rub your lips too much and without irritating them. 2, it moisturizes your lips. So it has different vitamins in it that will allow your lips to get all the moisture that it needs. And number 3, it will promote the natural exfoliation process of your lips. So once you start using LipSense, you might go through the exfoliation process, which is a natural process that you should always have. But with the regular lipsticks, the wax is not allowing this process to happen. So you will feel that once you start using LipSense and you remove it with your Oops Remover, your lips will be so much softer and they will feel healthier and moisturized. After you remove your lip color, I always recommend that you apply either your lip gloss, just a regular glossy gloss, or your lip balm, or the lip volumizer. Any of the 3 options are great options because they will moisturize your lips during the whole night, and then in the morning when you wake up you will feel that they are like so much softer. It's probably been about 2 minutes or so, and the way that I remove my lip color is after I have the Oops sitting there for at least 2 minutes. I use this little towels. You can use any like washcloth or any towel or even a makeup removing wipe. But just make sure you take something that is soft and that won't be irritating your lips. And then the other thing that is very important is that you use warm water. It will make it so much easier. Okay, so I have my Oops Remover, I have my little washcloth, and I have some warm water. So just take a little bit of water and then it comes right off. everything is here. And that's it. It's really easy. You shouldn't have to rub it too much. If that happens, it's either you didn't let it sit enough time or you're not using warm water. So just make sure after that you take one of the three and just moisturize your lips and you're done. So if you like my video, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post every week new tips for busy moms, and I will help you to look and feel better each day. Bye!